Hey everybody. Sorry I look like crap. I was about to edit this video and I thought I would just get on here and apologize to you guys, specifically to my new subscribers, because this isn't a normal kind of video for me. Like, I just feel like I really dropped the ball and I don't know what it is. I don't know. I guess, I don't know. I just was hoping that getting my camera out would lift my mood, because yoga didn't work this morning and I don't know, I feel off and I want to not feel off anymore, but I don't know how to not feel off. I think it's just hormones, because getting towards the end of the month again. But anyway, I didn't want this to be some long kind of thing. I just wanted to apologize and promise you guys that I will do better next time. I just need to get out of this funk. But without further ado, enjoy this lame-o video. Hey guys. So, if you're new to my channel, go back and watch a different video. Unless you saw the title of this video and really want to see it, then watch this one. There we go. Unless you saw the title of this one and really want to watch it, then watch this one and go back and watch some more later. It is 5:38 on Monday, the 27th, and this video is supposed to go up tomorrow. I've just been so tired and unmotivated and just overwhelmed. Nothing's really changed. Actually, things have changed, but like for the better. I need to record an update video for you guys on all of our housing situation and my job situation. I started thinking about getting another income, because in Indiana I had a little side thing going on, but I don't have that down here, and I can't because I don't have the people that I knew. I've just been feeling really down and out and not myself. Like, if you can tell, I haven't done my makeup today. I'm in a freaking hoodie. Like, I just haven't felt myself. So that's why I haven't recorded. It's even really hard for me to bring the camera out today, but I really, really desperately want to keep to my schedule. So let's get it started. Does anyone else have problems with the pads in their bras coming out? 'Cause, yeah. There's another one. For anyone who doesn't know what I'm doing here, I'm stuffing the inserts back in our cloth diapers. It wasn't supposed to be a cloth diaper day. Well, I mean, he wears them every day, but it wasn't supposed to be a wash day. But I was lazy the day before and hadn't folded them yet. To all you newbies out there, if you're just following along with my family, we are currently staying with my father-in-law in Florida. We just moved here from Indiana in November. Why my closet is so messy is because we've been trying to figure out where our next residence is going to be for about 7 months now. So the garbage bag is baby clothes that the kids have grown out of, and my closet has basically just been my stashing point for months for anything that I just don't know where it goes or I don't have a place for it. Just everybody has that spot, you know? I wanted a better way to store the clothes that they had grown out of, since they were just in a garbage bag. Amazon boxes aren't what I had in mind, but it's what I had. At this point I was getting frustrated and burnt out with it because it wasn't turning out how I wanted, so I stopped folding and just started shoving. I think I'm done for today on that. It's getting time to feed the midgets and get them ready for bed. But yeah, I need to get the proper organizing tools, boxes and such that are a little more, I don't know, aesthetic, I guess, rather than Amazon boxes. My son is driving me crazy, but yeah. Whoa, I look tired.
Let me see.
Did we do a good job cleaning? Buggy crying? Can you say thanks for watching?
Thank you for watching.
Elijah. Oh, I was gonna explain this. That is going to get donated, so it's going to stay on the floor for now. But yeah, I guess I can do a pan around. Elijah. All those boxes right there, I'm mailing to two of our brothers. Those they just got rid of. That's a project I'm working on. Keep an eye out for this video. That goes to Sissy's room. And yeah, back to the closet. So yeah, lots of productive cleaning. I feel a little better about my life. I'm gonna go ahead and round this out before he drives me actually crazy and screams his way through the vlog. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.